Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain what variables are. A variable you probably remember from the middle school math class. So include IO stream, int, main, parentheses, curly braces, and return 0. And let's define a variable. So int x. This step is declaration. Well, it means integer. So int x means that x is an integer. You have not assigned a value yet. So x equals 5. And let's display x. Standard, output, and let's run this program and see what happens. Control Alt. And we get 5. But let's say you don't have a declaration step. So I'm going to turn this entire line into a comment. And if you run this program, we see an error. X was not declared in the scope. Well, because if you don't declare a variable, well, that means that the X here doesn't know what X is, so the compiler will display error. Well, you can do declaration and assignment in one step altogether. So you can say int X equals 5. Well, that will do the same thing. We get 5. But there are actually also many data types I'm going to show you. So here's a file that I have written. So here's a file called list. So here's a list of all the things that we will learn. So in data types, so maybe it is here. You see that we have many data types. So the first one is integers that we have talked before. So in integers, the decimal part is ignored. Then the next we're going to learn is doubles. So while doubles, double A equals 3.141. Double is for decimal. And a double or decimal can store 6 to 12 digits. But if you see that it is 3 right here, well, double C equals 3. Then, well, it would be converted into number 00. And floating point numbers can only store 3 decimal digits. And if you only pass a whole number, it will do the same thing as the doubles. And the next thing is characters. So char is for character. A char can only store 1 character. And make sure to add single quotations to the character. And if you store more than 1 character, you will display error. So I'm going to show you. Maybe don't here. I'm going to show you right here. So if you pass like char x, you just equal some really long things. And let's run this program and see what happens. Oh, we see an error. Warning, constant is too long for this data type. Well, because char can only store 1 character, like A. Well, this will work fine. And go back to our list. And the next thing is booleans. Well, booleans can only be true or false. And I actually need another definition here. And if you convert a float to an int, it can only be 0 or 1, just like this. And the next is standard string. Well, standard string can store more than 1 character. It is provided from the standard function. So if you switch this to standard string x, we can store more than 1 character. Let's say that it equals my name. Run. Make this into double quotation. And we get. And that's all of the data types. If you like a copy of this code, I'll post this in the comment section down below. And If you like this video, make sure to smash that like button, leave a rating, comment down below, and subscribe me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!